Hey, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the island of Maui at the ʻīao Needle. And there are bathrooms. We came in right back there. Of course, it's a natural landmark. I don't know if I need this hat or not. But we're going to walk up this trail, and you should know that it's fairly steep, but it's also paved, so it's not like it's a hard walk or anything. This down here is a little botanical garden. Oop. And that's the sound of the ʻīao River. Falling rocks. And maybe that's ʻīao Waterfall. It's I-O-A, I believe, the spelling, if you don't know what it is. And that's it, the ʻīao Needle. Right there. And I've been here several times before. But it's a nice drive up. It's Maui way down there. Haleakala is on the other side there. This used to be a trail, and then it got overgrown. See the green pipe down there? Like, I think I used that once to get down to the river. These guys are about ready to bloom. It would have been nice if they were bloomed, huh? So it's crowded today. I've never seen it this busy. In fact, the last time I was here, I don't think anyone else was here.
That's because we didn't come on a weekend.
Yeah, it's Sunday. Janet would like you to know. And there are people from all over the world here. Some of them walking slow, some of them walking fast.
You're setting my watch.
Escalator would be the best. Why don't they have escalators?
Get some exercise in. So now it's steps, no more ramps. So if you're, in a wheelchair or a rascal or whatever, you're not coming up here unless you get out of it.
Where are you going? Go up.
Ooh. I think you could have smiled better. You're probably right. Want to try it again? So, needle. Parking lot. That's the little shelter where you pay. Like I said, you probably pay online. Reservations required. Posing?
I gotta get the needle.
So, from the ʻīao Needle, I'm Gareth, and Christina, and Janet, and Jesse, and Ashley, and Austin.
See you in the next port.
That's what we're saying. So now we're going down to the river. course, the needle's up there behind us. You can see it through that tree. Maybe. If you look hard. I was just telling somebody that going down the stairs for me is not as fun as going up. I mean, going up maybe is harder, but this is more dangerous, especially on a ship. I've seen a lot of people going down on the stairs and break something. I've never seen anybody go down going up the stairs. So, whatever. Watch out for falling rocks, though. There's a trail off there. There are a lot of trails here, you know, local trails people have made. So, I don't know what that little girl's all about, but anyway. Walk them at your own risk.
Watch the lips on this thing.
And it says she has big lips. I'm not sure what she's driving at. See, so there's a trail sign. Now that's a marked trail, right? And there are people coming the other way. And there's that same little girl.
Yeah.
Anyway. And there are some big trees here. See that? Like this guy right over here. I mean, think of the treehouse you could build up there. And there's a line of people standing here. Oh, well, that's one of my people out there on the rock taking the picture. But we don't know these other people. So, anyway, there's the river. And there's a guy bathing in the river. There's Janet. And I think if you go down this trail, you have to turn around and go back up. I think it's a dead end. This is where that other green railing path used to lead, I think. But I don't think it does anymore. Of course, that's the parking lot, that concrete up slab, you know. So the parking lot is above that. But anyway, so if you have time, an hour to spend, maybe an hour to get here, come on down. You want to go down to the water? Alright. Notice it's closed and see that loops back around. If you're headed to Mama's Fish House, it's just about a half an hour from here. And that's where we're headed later. First a stop at Costco though. So a lot of people come down here. Of course, like I said, it's Sunday. So maybe they're all locals, I don't know. So this is the path down to the botanical garden, and it's pretty busy today too. I think most people who come here don't bother going down here. And it says right there on that sign, don't remove anything. Remember what happened to the Brady's on the Brady Bunch. Anyway, see, they came down, they stayed up. The plants of ʻīao. Tea. There was tea. I'm recording on 2 cameras. And I got off the beaten path. Hey, I have these same weeds in my yard. In California. I don't think it's a native plant to Hawaii. I don't think you should go this way. It's too late for me. Save yourself. I've been climbing a lot of rocks these last couple days. Yesterday we went to the Nakalele blowhole. So check for that video. Nakalele blowhole in Maui. And yes, there's a 360 of it too. People are calling me. I don't know why. I'm recording.
I know. I want to show you something.
Okay. So, there it is, Botanical Garden. Ashley wants to show us something. What do you want to show us?
This well.
What?
This should be a well or a pond or a swimming pool.
No, I think this was for sacrifices.
Stand over here. Ashley, Austin.
I don't really. I don't really. Okay, so those might be tea. Maybe I have that wrong. Oh well. Hey, there's the needle. So, from the ʻīao River. Yeah, there, that's the light. That's the light we're looking for. This is Garrett saying, Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. Bye.